Starting at age 10, any human, male or female, should be able to sew a button onto a shirt. You will need a garment with a missing button, a small travel size sewing kit, and a button. Most importantly, you will need a button, thread, needle, and scissors. You will start by threading a needle with about 18 to 24 inches of thread. Double it over and knot the end. Pay close attention to the button placement. Look for tiny holes from where the button originally was placed. Now pull the needle through in that location and pull it through the button hole. Make diagonal passes over a toothpick or a needle or pen. Repeat this process, making an X pattern above and below the button. After about 8 to 10 passes, pull the pen out. Double knot the back and trim off the excess. Be sure to test the functionality of your work. Always pick up your mess.